Hey guys, it's Wally here. I'm in Cardiff, Wales, United Kingdom. And the Rolling Stones, the popular band, they're in town today. So everybody's going there at the Cardiff City Stadium. It's just over there, just somewhere there. So that's why you see a lot of roadblocks and the police everywhere. It's supposed to be a very, very big stuff. This is the hotel that we use for our conference. This is the Clayton Hotel. You see some people having some good time there. Maybe not. So anyway, it's Wale here, talking to you from Cardiff. I'm just going straight to get my car right now. Then we can take it from there. One thing I want to say is if you can overcome fear, you can achieve your greatest destiny. The fear of failure is the greatest reason why people do not succeed. Success is a progressive accomplishment of our greatest ideals, what you want to achieve. So what success means to me is different from what it does mean to you. It does mean to you, but we have to determine that. But it's the constant state of fear that puts people into a state of panic, where they cannot launch, they cannot fulfill their potential, they can't self-actualize. And that's a shame, because I remember reading the literature, and the writers say that the greatest treasure, the greatest wealth can be found not in the banks, not in the most richest places in the world, but in the cemetery. The unused talent, the unwritten songs, the unused potential for leadership, for invention, for creativity. How can you overcome fear? Acknowledge that you are afraid to launch. Second, write down what you want to achieve as though you will not fail. Take 3 things that you want to do every day towards that goal, towards that big goal, your major goal. Then decide to take one step at a time. I'm just crossing the road right now. Take one step at a time and trust. You'll make mistakes, but through the mistakes we collect wisdom, to be able to use those wisdom, this collections of wisdom, to be able to propel ourselves to a state where we can influence other people positively. So take one step at a time. When we make mistakes, when we fail, it's not actually failure, it's a step closer to success. So I'm Wale Ladipo, speaking to you from Cardiff. Cardiff is a lovely city, very vibrant city. I'm not the very best, not the very best. Bye bye.